So, hello, my dear friends and students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh. And today I am going to explain you what is photosynthesis. See, this is not generally for 10th class. This is right from 7 to 10. Because in every class there is a topic of photosynthesis. Now, what is photosynthesis? Now, what I want to explain here is photosynthesis. Now, what is photosynthesis? So, here you see photosynthesis is derived in two words. One is photo. Photo means generally we say light. And synthesis means to produce, to synthesize, to make. So, that means something is making through light, isn't it? So, photo, light, synthesis means to make. Now, here you say, what actually the photosynthesis is? Photosynthesis is nothing but a green plants. They are called autotrophs. The mode of nutrition in green plants are autotrophs. Autotroph means they can prepare their own food. They can prepare their own food by means of photosynthesis. Now, what actually photosynthesis process is? But photosynthesis occurs only in green plants. Why green plants? Because green plants contains chlorophyll in the cell which is present in the leaf. Because leaf is the main part of the plant where food is prepared. So, one way we can say that leaf is a kitchen room for the plant, for the tree. Now, means whole thing is prepared in leaf. So, to prepare a food, it requires some raw materials. Without raw materials, it cannot prepare its food, isn't it? So, what it does, you see, this is a green plant. You see what happens? Root, through root they absorb water, not only water but they absorb mineral salts also. These minerals contains potassium, magnesium in rich quantity. So they absorb water and mineral salts, and that water and mineral salts is carries through a special tissue that is called xylem. So, xylem carries this, you see the arrow which is going from the root to the leaf. See, the direction of the arrow is from root to leaf, that is special tissues. They are called xylem tissues. So, what is the function of xylem? They just carry water and mineral salts from roots to leaves. In leaves, what happens? In a leaf, in a lower epidermal of a leaf, there you see a special structure called stomata. See, stomata looks like this. Two types of stomatas are there. One is closed stomata and one is open stomata. Means both is a single stomata, but once it opens and closes. Each time when it opens and closes, exchange of gases takes place. What happens? During photosynthesis, they takes in carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is that gas which we exhale through our respiration. While breathing, the gas which we took out, that is carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide they takes in during photosynthesis. And at the end of the photosynthesis, they gives out oxygen to the atmosphere. So, once the stomata opens and closes, means in each time, what happens? Exchange of gases takes place. Carbon dioxide gets in, oxygen goes out. Likewise, in this process, we can see the whole atmosphere is rich in oxygen due to the process of photosynthesis, which they gives out oxygen. Now, that is one process. So, there are stomata. Stomata are specially guarded by special cells. They are called guard cells. they are called guard cells. Now, these stomata are present in the lower epidermal of the leaf. Now, there you see in the lower epidermal of the seeds, full leaf is contains with cells, and every cell has a chlorophyll, and that chlorophyll plays a very vital role for the plants during photosynthesis, because chlorophyll contains two functions. First, due to the presence of chlorophylls, the leaf of the color is green. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, the leaf of the color is green. So all green plants contains chlorophyll. That is the first part. And second main important function of the chlorophyll is that they trap solar energy directly from the sun. They trap solar energy directly from the sun. So that is the case. So two important functions the chlorophyll is playing here, its role. Now what happened? In the leaf, when all the water and mineral salts gathered, there what happens? With the help of chlorophyll, they trap sunlight. Sunlight, that is photo. They trap sunlight. And there the reaction goes on. And as a result, glucose is formed. That is another issue, that where that glucose is stored after, because they are the product of the photosynthesis. Not only glucose, but their product is the main product is oxygen also, and that oxygen goes out in the atmosphere. So in all, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their own food by means absorbing water and mineral salts from soil through root, and light from the sun, and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. With these raw products, they prepare their own food. So the preparation of own food by means of this structure is called photosynthesis. Means they are synthesizing the food with the help of with the help of light. So this is photosynthesis. Now at last, with the photosynthesis, there is an equation. Every student should get acquainted with the equation. You see, what are the raw things? This is the equation, chemical equations for photosynthesis. So what is the raw? What are the required? So they takes in carbon dioxide, they takes water. With that, a reaction goes on. C6H12O6 is nothing but the product of photosynthesis, that is glucose, and a very important part, that is oxygen. So for balancing this, we add 6 and there also 6, so that this side and that side, in the both sides, they are same, because as per the law of conservation of the mass. Now this is photosynthesis. So first, once again, I will just explain you in a short manner. Photosynthesis is nothing but the preparation of a food by a green plants by means of water and mineral salts absorbed by roots through soil, and from the atmosphere they take in carbon dioxide and light, and with this they prepare their food. This preparation of food by green plants are called photosynthesis. So we will meet you in another topic, in another video. Till then, bye.